So here you just want to make sure you put more effort on the base of the lash and then flick upward for the most natural tapered effect. It looks like real lashes. And if you get some on your lid, don't worry, I do almost all the time. You can just scrape it off with a spoolie. As it's drying, if you just kind of tilt it backwards, it will keep the lashes upward into almost a lash lift. Anyone very beginner or mature, going slightly above the crease is going to feel a little weird to you, but I promise you start to normalize it. It is something that looks most natural. If you stay on your lid itself, it actually makes it look less natural. Make sure that you use a light colored powder under your brow. This is going to make it a bit more seamless and actually look more natural than skipping anything up top there. Now wet your brush and do the same thing if you want something a little bit more extreme where there seems to be a light lifting your brow. This is called a brow lift. Can mute it a little bit if it's too bright with a little bit of that light cream powder. And hopefully by the time you're attempting these more nighttime looks, you have developed a comfort zone with going above your crease slightly with the shadow. And this comes to you quite natural. Now I'm going to just take a bit of time to go over the mascara flick method I've been doing. Put a lot of attention on the base part, and then as you get to the midpoint, flick upward and do that throughout the whole lash. It's going to give you more of a tapered effect, which actually mimics the most natural lash, but increasing the intensity of your own. This also has a cool effect of making you look like you're wearing eyeliner when you haven't put any on. Now for all you lash lovers, this is a great way of making you look like you have a pair of false lashes on. You just want to take the waterproof mascara and you basically layer it over top of the original formula, focusing on the outer corner of the eye where the lashes look the longest and the most doe-eyed. It is the most pretty effect. You just want to make sure you take your time because if you get a little bit of that on your brow bone, it is a little bit harder to get off at this point. But if you spend enough time, it will look amazing. You can see the difference between the daytime and the nighttime look and the striking nature of just a few little tweaks. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked this. Thank you.